One of the questions we get from students is, what if I have a relative in the US and they're going to sponsor my education? Do I run a risk of a visa rejection? Statistically speaking, you absolutely do run the risk of visa rejection. There may not be an absolute answer as to why, but when we view this through the lens of the three separate criteria of an intending immigrant, when you have a family member that's not your parent or immediate family member supporting you in your education, what that means is it creates an implicit contract with that person that you're intending to pay them back. If the person is in the US, then you will have the burden to pay them back by possibly working in the US. So it creates this dynamic where you are imposed upon yourself to now pay this person who is living in the US that amount that they're supporting you. Now that can go against you in terms of what you're supposed to be doing, which is going there for your education and coming back. So in cases where you have a sponsor and they happen to be in the US, you do run a risk of a visa rejection. I would highly recommend you having a sponsor back home in India and that sponsor to be immediate family wherever possible. If it's just not possible, then absolutely move forward with the sponsor that you have, but just know the impending risks that comes associated with that and how your case might be viewed by the visa officer. Hi, my name is Patrick Carriel. To answer more questions like these or to discuss your particular case, come find me on AmericanColleges.com. I've been in the higher education space for nearly half a decade, and during that time, I've worked with over a dozen universities on their admissions and recruitment side. I've counseled perhaps thousands of students in India on their educational pursuits, and I've also liaised with visa officers in US embassies and consulates. I'll walk you through every step of the way, and I'll ensure that you're successful in your educational pursuits.